Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Uba Ronnie Villingdo uba dewa MLA kaseng Kongres na Meliam constituency uba dang shu ino shan ya kakam kumnong yalam kaliang persya apo yeng dorba thawan kejela ulapan pau ba kalong kebadan kampha bandan unong yalam hakaliang persya kenang bandan kejingada namar ba klem unong yalam hakaliang persya enamdan uban mikmat Haga State Security Commission kebalong kebakong sanbha. Ulong bateng teng ya karai belasyim lada klemdan kaliang persya kamyahab. Ulia thuru bahadian balaya keren. Na kaliang jong u badu Dr. Mukul Sangma kilarai ban menjur. Ban pentikna bakakam LO kamdei ban syui thali. Bat namar kalong kakam kebahak liadu hakaliang persya. Bat udai ubala kamrang ba hakakam. Kidon sangut kentup ya u baru kidon hendrungut kidekot. Ula ban rap da kebaong ba udan kejingkermen ba ulam pang ke yeng dorbar. Un menjur ya kani kejing terwa. Halor Chief Whip kaliang persya uba Ronnie ulaong bakadei kejing snutho jingmut habdeng ki artaligi party naduk bangilaya keren lang maki kin shimti ya kashuki LO bat ka Kongres kan shimti ya kashuki Chief Whip ha kaliang persya ulia thuru bana kaliang jongki kilapha da kejing tho she ulam phang bat ka syong sahakara jong u ban pedang ya kani kejing terwa shu ulaong ru ba omdei tang hapo yeng dorbar hendrai haki komiti baper ki ba unong yalam kaliang persya uha bane shimenta kum haka SSC kebalong kebakong sanbha kum tangis ngo bakadan kam bandan uban mikmat na kaliang persya.
You see, post of LO is a very important post. For example, now we have the State Security Commission. Okay, now if there is no LO, then from the opposition side there will be no representation in the State Security Commission, which is very crucial. Sometimes there are decisions that are taken, and maybe if there is the opposition, it will be a balanced and representation.
So why did you choose to support Dr. Mukul Sangma?
You see, because after we have discussed, then Dr. Mukul Sangma and from my side, from the CLP, decided to come together and ensure that the post of LO is not left vacant, and being the senior most and having the most number from the opposition, because there are 5 numbers and with me it becomes 6. So we have proposed, and I hope the speaker will agree to our proposal.
And
that is the understanding between the two parties, that since we have come together, they will take the post of LO, and CL from the Congress will take the post of opposition chief whip.
But is there any method of...
See, we have written to the speaker. Now it's up to the prerogative of the speaker to accept our proposal. After the session is over, we will have a meeting and then pursue the case of these 3 MLAs.
The question was
about
No. You see, in this case, because we have not formed an alliance as such. Okay. Since we felt there was a need that the post of LO should not be left vacant. Because as I said, it's not only in the House, but then we have certain committees where the LO is part of that committee. For example, like I cited the example of State Security Commission. Now that is a very important commission. So we felt the need that there should be representation from the opposition also.